Cooking and managing a kitchen can be much easier with the right tools. In this video, I have listed the best 20 futuristic Amazon kitchen gadgets that are designed to make daily life more modern and comfortable. Each of these gadgets brings simple solutions for cooking, storage, and organization, helping you save both time and effort. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Whether you cook often or just want a smarter kitchen setup, these gadgets can be a useful addition to your home. Self-drying smart cutting board. 4 chopping boards, a smart knife holder, and built-in purple light come together in a hygienic kitchen solution. Designed to keep tools dry and germ-free, the organizer includes a 60-minute drying process that ensures knives and boards are ready for use anytime. Crafted from durable, premium materials, it offers a sleek and minimalist aesthetic for modern kitchens. Backed by a 12-month warranty, it guarantees safe meal prep while adding elegance to your cooking space. Pizza Pack. A collapsible container system provides the perfect way to store leftover pizza without bulky boxes. Snap-on airtight lids create a vacuum seal, preserving freshness and preventing soggy slices. With 5 microwavable divider trays, slices stay separated and can double as plates when reheating. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, the design is leak-proof, odorless, and reusable. Safe for the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, it ensures your pizza tastes as good the next day. Heat food sealer. Multiple vacuum sealing modes offer the right preservation for any food, extending freshness up to 8 times longer. Simplified controls, a built-in cutter, and detachable water slot make operation intuitive and cleanup easy. A locking handle enables smooth, one-handed use while ensuring a tight seal. Designed for consistency, the 85 kilopascal suction strength supports up to 100 consecutive seals. This efficient heat sealing system is perfect for households looking to reduce waste and preserve flavors. Microwave food cover. A 12-inch microwave cover and mat combo serves as both splatter guard and bowl holder. The collapsible design, made from high-quality silicone, folds easily for storage and includes a deeper grip for safe handling. Adjustable height from 0.8 to 3.6 inches makes it versatile for different plates and bowls. The thickened 2.2 mm mat offers heat resistance and multifunctionality, doubling as a pot holder, trivet, baking mat, or drying pad. Durable, reusable, and easy to clean. Paper towel dispenser. Touchless dispensing technology makes it simple to grab paper towels with hands full, using smart sensors to control sheet release. The countertop design requires no mounting and works with standard rolls. With both plug-in and battery power options, it offers flexibility for any kitchen setup. Setup and roll replacement are quick and straightforward, dispensing 1 or half sheets at a time. Built for convenience and hygiene, it keeps rolls dry, clean, and accessible. Label maker. A compact label printer with 20 to 50 mm width range delivers quick, efficient organization for home and business use. Using thermal printing technology, it eliminates the need for ink or toner, saving on consumables. Bluetooth connectivity supports both iOS and Android, plus PC compatibility with drivers. The app includes over 30 fonts, 100 borders, and 1,500 symbols for customized labels. Equipped with a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, the lightweight retro-style design ensures long-lasting use across multiple tasks. Smart kitchen sink. A deep 20 mm design accommodates large pots and multiple bowls, making it ideal for family kitchens. Built from 3 mm thick nano stainless steel, the sink is highly durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. Sound insulation pads reduce noise, while diagonal streamlines prevent water buildup. Overflow protection helps keep countertops dry and tidy. Designed for versatility, installation options include on-counter, in-counter, and under-counter setups. Complete with a waterfall faucet, it combines practicality with modern style. Non-stick baking pan set. A complete 22-piece set covers all baking needs, from cookies and cakes to roasting and pizza. Each piece is made with a toxic-free non-stick coating that prevents sticking and allows effortless cleanup. The stackable design saves storage space while silicone handles provide safe, heat-resistant grip. Easy to wash by hand, the pans remain durable even with frequent use. Packed in a gift-ready box, the set is ideal for home bakers or thoughtful gifting. Cocktail Maker Machine. An automated system mixes cocktails in just 10 to 30 seconds, delivering consistent bar-quality drinks at home. Paired with a mobile app, it offers access to hundreds of recipes and customization options for personalized drinks. Easy to set up with a quick fill funnel, it also includes cleaning solutions for simple maintenance. Clear ingredient windows and insulated storage keep mixers or spirits cold for up to 8 hours. Perfect for entertaining, it eliminates pods or capsules. Rotating Spice Rack. A two-tier Lazy Susan made from premium natural wood combines organization with timeless farmhouse style. The rotating design ensures easy access to spices, toiletries, or decorative items, while raised edges keep contents secure. Versatile enough for countertops, bathrooms, vanities, or dining tables, it serves as both a functional organizer and a stylish display piece. Durable and elegant, it declutters spaces while adding a warm, rustic touch to any room's decor. Cookie Press. Featuring a cookie press gun, 8 icing nozzles, and 13 unique press discs, this baking kit makes festive treats effortless. Constructed from stainless steel for durability, it ensures safe use and easy cleaning. Ideal for holidays, parties, or casual baking, it allows you to craft cookies, cakes, and candies with decorative flair. The simple design makes it family-friendly, turning baking into a fun DIY activity with kids, friends, or loved ones for memorable kitchen moments. Vegetables Spiralize. Equipped with 7 hardened Japanese stainless steel blades, this spiralizer creates angel hair noodles, spaghetti, ribbons, and even curly fries. Reinforced ABS plastic ensures strength, while a foolproof suction pad secures it during use. Compact and easy to clean, it includes a catch container, lid, and blade storage caddy for convenience. Perfect for low-carb or gluten-free meals, it transforms veggies into zoodles, pasta alternatives, or crinkle chips, helping families enjoy healthy, creative dishes in minutes. Breakfast Station. A 3-in-1 breakfast station combines a 6-cup coffee maker, spacious griddle, and toaster oven for a complete morning meal solution. Compact yet versatile, it saves counter space while allowing you to prepare eggs, bacon, pancakes, or toast simultaneously. The non-stick griddle includes a glass lid, while the toaster oven fits up to 4 slices. With a reusable filter and glass carafe included, it's perfect for families wanting convenience, flavor, and efficiency in one unit. Smart Air Purifier. Built with 7-stage filtration, this purifier captures 100% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, removing dust, smoke, pollen, and odors. Covering up to 2,002 square feet, it's ideal for bedrooms, living areas, or basements. Washable and reusable filters save money while reducing chemical use. Auto mode adjusts fan speeds based on real-time air quality, with 6 manual options available. Certified safe and efficient, it delivers fresh, clean air for healthier living every day. Nutcracker. Crafted from stainless steel, this ergonomic nutcracker set is designed to effortlessly crack pistachios, walnuts, pine nuts, and more. The durable build ensures long-lasting use while reducing mess during cracking. Its versatile design doubles as a sheller, making it suitable for a variety of nuts. Compact and easy to handle, it requires minimal effort, making nut preparation faster and cleaner. A must-have kitchen tool for snack lovers, it simplifies enjoying fresh, perfectly cracked nuts. Lemon Sprayer Kit. Designed for portability and ease of use, this sprayer kit allows you to extract fresh juice directly from lemons with a simple press. Its bright, practical design makes it ideal for flavoring salads, drinks, or seafood without hassle. Made for everyday convenience, it reduces the need for bulky juicers and ensures minimal waste. Compact and easy to clean, it's a handy addition for those who enjoy fresh, tangy citrus flavor in their cooking. Microwave Sandwich Maker. Engineered with thermal material technology, this microwave gadget transforms sandwiches into crispy, golden delights within minutes. Heating both sides simultaneously, it mimics stovetop or oven results without extra effort. Versatile enough for grilled cheese, paninis, burgers, or reheated leftovers, it suits students, busy professionals, or small kitchens. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleaning, with dishwasher-safe plates for added convenience. Compact and efficient, it delivers delicious grilled meals quickly, making it an essential kitchen tool. Electric Orange Juicer. One-touch operation makes this juicer simple enough for kids to use, producing fresh juice in just 5 seconds. Efficient extraction ensures minimal waste, giving higher yields from each fruit. Detachable components and an included cleaning brush allow quick cleanup under running water. Compact in design, it stores easily while fitting seamlessly into small kitchens. Suitable for oranges, citrus, or even harder fruits, it's an ideal choice for anyone seeking convenience and freshness daily. Knife Sharpener. Featuring a 4-stage sharpening system, this tool restores stainless steel, kitchen, or pocket knives to sharp precision within seconds. It also accommodates scissors, making it versatile for any kitchen. A non-slip base ensures stability, while the included cut-resistant glove adds extra safety. Its compact, sleek design saves space and complements kitchen aesthetics. Easy to use with a simple glide-through motion, it's an essential gadget for keeping blades sharp, efficient, and always ready for use. Electric Slicer Shredder. Equipped with 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, this slicer handles slicing, shredding, and grinding for vegetables, fruits, and cheeses. Its powerful motor ensures efficiency, cutting prep time significantly. With removable attachments, cleanup is simple. Rinse underwater while wiping the main body with a damp cloth. Compact and easy to store, it requires just one button twist for operation. Perfect for quick, consistent results. It makes cooking enjoyable while saving time in any busy kitchen. These 20 futuristic kitchen gadgets show how simple technology can make cooking, cleaning, and everyday life more convenient and comfortable. From smart tools to time-saving appliances, each one brings something unique to the modern kitchen. To see the best deals on all the gadgets we covered, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss our newest videos, tips, and reviews.